Okay, exercise 8.3 tells us that we're making calculators, and these calculators contain 3 small computer chips, and each chip costs $2, and they're sometimes hard to get, so that they have to carry large ending inventories. They think 20% is enough to insure against stockout. So we start with the production that's given to us. They tell us that the first quarter we're going to make 60,000, the second 90, the third 150, and the fourth 100,000. Additionally, they tell us that each calculator needs 3 chips. That's one area that students often forget to do. So we need 180,000 chips for the first quarter, 270,000 for the second, 450 for the third, and 300 for the fourth. So after we have that, then we can go down and begin our raw material budget. And remember, this company wants enough on hand for this month plus 20% of next month. So let's take a look at the first quarter. We need 180,000 to make this month's calculators. We need 20%, get a different color here, on hand of next month's production. So at the very least, we need 234,000 of these chips on hand. Now our beginning inventory, I'll put that in pink, is the 20% of the beginning quarter's needs. So altogether for this period, we need 198,000 chips. And the production budget wants to know how many chips and how much it's going to cost us. So we need to multiply the cost by the $2 per chip. That's the production budget for the first quarter. Second quarter works the same way. We need the 270,000 chips to start, so we need that. We certainly need the 270 that we're going to need for this month's production. We also need on hand 20% of next month's. So at the very least, we need 360,000 chips, but we had 54,000 on hand. So we need 306,000 chips this period, this quarter, and they're $2 each. So again, we need to multiply. Let's do the third quarter. And it's essentially the same exact thing that we did before. We still need that 450,000 because we always need what we had, what we need for the production for that period, plus we need 20% of the next quarter. That's 60,000. So we need 510,000 chips this quarter, except that we had 90,000 on hand from last quarter. So we need 420,000 chips, or $840,000 worth of chips. And the fourth quarter is exactly the same. We need our 300,000 chips. We need the 20% of the next quarter, and they give us that. Okay, so we need, let's see, where is it? They tell us that I'm looking at the problem real quickly, and I'm not seeing what we need. It tells us that we need, okay, first quarter of the third year is, production is 80,000. 80,000 times 3, 240,000 chips are going to be needed. 20% of that is 48,000. Remember, here's how we got that. For the first quarter of the next year, they're budgeted to make 80,000 calculators. Each calculator takes 3 chips. That's 240,000. 20% of that is 48. And then we just go through and do exactly what we need. So we needed 348 for this period, minus the 60 we began with. So we need 288,000 chips, and each chip is $2. And this piece down here is the piece that students often forget, and many students would forget to do this as well. So they're the two landmines that you need to be careful of.